So the massive Ferguson here is being auctioned for the Westpac helicopter. So they're hoping to get it auctioned for 5 figures today. So that'll be interesting to see whether that's sold and benefits the Westpac helicopter. So we're just down at the local Helensville A&P Showgrounds, and they've got a machinery auction. There's an Austin Gypsy here, a 1969 G4. It's only done 102,500 miles. The Austin Gypsy is a pretty rare, relatively rare vehicle here as well. That'll be interesting to see if it sells.
You don't need even.
So there's a range of farm equipment here, obviously tractors, 4 drives.
You'll see the selection. We've got European equipment and even the Chamberlain, which has attracted interest for a lot of people. Of course, it was made in Australia, and all sorts of bits and stuff, but it was really essentially an auction for food, because all this makes food. Get into it and bid as much as you can, and the old girl in here, we're trying to get it as high as we can. We want to get into 5 figures, so to get it to Westpac. But thank you all for coming. 1 4 and I'll take 5. Help me go at 4,000. On the market, ladies and gentlemen. That 500 now, who's going to buy it at 500? That $500. Who's got 500 here? 500, 400. Who's got $100 in game? Who's got $100 in game? $1. Hey, $1. Dollar. I don't know. Caleb Jackson. Close date. Caleb here. I don't know. There's no reserve. Done? Yep. Sell it. I've got $1. I've got $1 here. $1. It's hard to say. I've never taken $1 for since Huey Green was alive. $1. We're back at 50 cents then. No. $1. I've got $1. Surely to God. Hey, I'll only take another $1. I've got $1. Get about $1 here. $1. $20. $20. Oh, well, you can have it now. You're a funny man.
A couple of hundred in scrap.
Right, $20 here. $20. Gonna sell it. 21. 25. 25's there. 30. $50 here. Now we're just starting to wake up. $50 here. $50 here. Where? $90. $100. $100. But 110. I got all day. Wife's not at home. She's gone. 110. Out it goes. Bring it $110. 110's the money.
$1 right there. I have 100, go about 100, then 100, then $100. Who's got 20 for it? Who's got 22, 20? Who's got 18 and start? All the, whatever it takes, we're going to try and get most of it, all of it, to the Westpac helicopter rescue helicopter. Here we go. And thank you, Philip, for your very, very kind donation, as long as we sell it, okay? Right, here we go. Who's got about 12 on it? Who's got 12,000 on it? 12, 10. Well, I'll start at $7,000. I'm at 7, 7, 7, 7.